Here I have HUAWEI P20 Lite, and let me show you how to use the battery saver mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Here you need to find and select the settings. From the following list, let's choose the battery. And now you've got some information about the battery usage, the approximately time that you have to use your device. And you may also here launch some power saving mode. So you can use the standard power saving mode right here. This mode limits background app activity, disables the email auto synchronization, system sound, and reduces visual effects to save power. So let me tap enable. And that's it. Right now we are using the power saving mode. As you can see, now you've got a lot of more time to use your device. But sometimes if you need to use your device longer and you don't have the charger with you, so you can use the ultra power saving mode right here. So in ultra power saving mode, only selected apps will be available. Let's tap enable to see how it looks like. Here we've got the no location information. Let me tap close. As you can see, the screen is very dark and you may only use the dialer, messaging and contacts. Of course you can add some app if you need something. And if you would like to quit this mode, let's use this exit key, tap exit. And that's it. Right now you can use your device in a normal way. And if you would like to change your mode and switch off the power saving mode, let's use the same switcher, and right now you are using the normal mode of your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.